Welcome to Binalize Tactical product video series. Collect digital evidence in minutes. Before we start, let's take a look at the features of Tactical. It's powered by IREC engine that is specifically designed for collecting evidence. It's easy to use and does not require installation. With just one click, you can collect more than 120 different evidence types in under 10 minutes. Once the acquisition completes, it creates a detailed report. It supports command line execution, and you can also run it in offline environments that does not have an active internet connection. Finally, it comes with a unique feature that protects the collected evidence against any type of modification, including ransomware encryption. Let's see it in action. Binalize Tactical is a standalone product. It's only 18 megabytes in size. In order to collect evidence, after running it, you can easily select the types of evidence by clicking these links. In the second step, you should select an output path and then clicking Start. All the collectors runs in parallel, and in under 10 minutes, we'll have a detailed report that contains almost everything we need to start an investigation. Once the acquisition completes, it shows a summary of the acquisition, including the location evidence is saved to, the duration of the evidence collection, total size of the collected evidence, and number of files. Clicking Open Output Folder asks a question to disable the Shield feature that is by default enabled. Clicking Yes will make the case files accessible to the other applications. Clicking Open HTML Report lets you start the investigation right away. Thank you for watching. You can download Tactical by visiting www.binalize.com/tactical.